So my meal prep for the week is done. I have a super salad with olives and beans and blueberries and cucumbers and peppers and walnuts and spring mix. Lots of stuff in there. And with that, I made a balsamic vinegar dressing. I creamed it up with a little bit of avocado. I meal prepped 2 overnight oats. I popped them in the refrigerator this morning and they are done already. One is banana and walnut and the other one is cinnamon and raisins. I also baked some sweet potatoes and I just filled them with black beans and corn mixed with my favorite salsa. And I also meal prep my weekly date paste, which I put in my tea today with a little bit of almond milk. I put in some marinades that I made. Anything I want a little bit of sweetness to, I put it in that as well. I also sauteed up some kale with garlic and onions, my favorite olive mix, and something else might be in there, not sure. Oh, garlic powder, onion powder, all types of stuff. And then I made a big old pot of quinoa vegetable chili, which is going to be so delicious. Video coming out for that. All right. Hopefully this helps give you some ideas. A nice big old salad, a couple of breakfasts, some lunch, and maybe one main, so that at least you get started on the week and you don't have as much to do. Good luck. Hope meal prep goes well this week.